You are welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you the best way to run Instagram ads. All right. I'm going to share with you the best way that you can run Instagram ads henceforth. Now, this way is guaranteed to give you good results so that you don't waste money and gets no results. So we know that there has been a lot of changes on the ads platform, both on Facebook and on Instagram. And most business owners who are on Instagram, they spend money every day. You especially, you know these things. You spend money, you see little results. Sometimes you don't even see any results, and you keep spending this money. Of course, you are in business to make money. So it does not make any business sense that you keep spending money and getting little out of it. So this video is going to show you how to set up your advert properly so that you can be in profit. Yes. So I believe that whatever you learn here, I want you to implement it in your business, and I assure you, you are going to start seeing pretty decent results that will improve your sales. Okay. So we are going to move into the ads manager. I believe by now you should know how to use the ads manager, how to navigate through the Facebook ads manager, right? So we are going to be running these Instagram ads through the Facebook ads manager. So you have to use your computer, or even if you're going to be using your smartphone or your desktop, make sure you put it in desktop mode. So if you're using your phone to run advert, make sure you put it in the desktop mode so that we give you all the features that you have there on the ads manager. All right. So let's move to the ads manager now and set up Instagram ads the right way. So here we are in this example ad account that I created. So you simply click on create here. You click on create. All right. And then we're in business. Okay, we want to make sales, right? We want to make sales, so we click on sales here. We want to generate sales. We click on sales. We need people to send us DM, people who are interested in what we are selling. They want to purchase what we are selling, so we click on sales. We click on continue here. Okay, it's as simple as that. You click on sales and then you click on continue, and then you come here. When it brings you here, automatically it will select the Advantage Shopping Plus for you. Advantage Plus shopping campaign. We don't want that. We want to be able to set up this thing on our own. So we click on the manual sales campaign here. Click on this manual sales campaign at the bottom. All right, and then click on continue. Once it continues, it brings you to the campaign level. All right, to the campaign level. So you name your campaign. So you can use example tutorial. Right? So that's an example. Once you name your campaign, you move straight to the ad set level by clicking the top left corner, as you can see here on the top left, or you come to the bottom right and click on next, or you come to the bottom right and click on next. It will take you to the ad set level. All right, this is the ad set level where you select. This is where you do your targeting. This is where you select the conversion location. This is also where you select your budget. So for here, we're going to name the ad set level, okay, tutorial ad set. An example. So you can name your own the name of your product or service. Okay. So because we are doing this thing for Instagram, we are going to be selecting these messaging apps here. Automatically it is there, messaging apps. So it says drive sales and conversions through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please give me a thumbs up, right? As you're watching this video, just click on that like button there. And if you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more content on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, how to grow your business, how to make money online and stuff like that, yeah, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Moving on. So we come down. Of course, remember that we don't need all these pixel, all these conversion events. We don't need them. Okay, so you come here and you select the page, the Facebook page where you want this advert to be run to. Okay, you select the Facebook page where you want this advert to run to. Okay, so I've selected, so I'm using this page as an example, so I can then choose this, my Instagram here, and then I uncheck Facebook Messenger because I want this advert to be run to my Instagram. All right. And then for our performance goal, we we are optimizing for maximum. We want to maximize the number of conversations we get. We want more conversations because this would lead to sales. The more people that come to you, the more people you have conversations with, the higher chances of making sales, because sales is a game of numbers. If you talk to 10 people and you make one sale, then there's a very high chance that if you talk to 20 people, you make more than one sale. You make two sales, three sales, four sales. Yeah. So the more people you talk to, the more the number of sales you make. So we're going to optimize to maximize number of conversations. The more conversations, the more sales. All right. So we come here, we select our budget here. For instance, 5,000 naira per day. It could be $5, it could be $10, depending on your currency and your country. Right. This ad set may get zero result that you see on the top right. Ignore it. It's going to go off on its own. It does not affect your ad results. Just ignore it. Okay. So we come down here and we select our location. This is automatically set in Nigeria because I am in Nigeria. I live in Nigeria currently. I have not jackpot yet. Uh-huh. So I can take it off if I want, and then I can select wherever I want. For instance, I want to target Lagos, Abuja, and where Port Harcourt. So I select Lagos here. Select Abuja here. Okay, Abuja FCT here. I can also put Port Harcourt here. Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Where is it? Port Harcourt, Rivers State. I select it here. So these are the three places I'm selecting to target. It's an example. Please take note. This is an example. It's not a real whatever. It's an example. So once you come down here, you will notice that automatically Facebook is pushing you to use the Advantage Plus audience. It says our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, we'll prioritize audiences matching this profile before searching more widely. Okay. I don't want to use this. I want to target the people I know that would most likely buy from me. I want to target my own ideal audience. So what do? You come here and you click on switch to original audience options. Click on switch. Okay, we switch, click on it. Then we come here and say use original audience. Okay. Then I can come down and select age, gender, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can see now, can now select age here. So what is the ideal age of your audience? Okay, your audience could be between the age of 23 or 25 or 30 to 65 or 30 to 25 to 35 or thereabout. Okay, so it's completely up to you to decide. You can check your Instagram the Instagram insights. You are going to see the best performing age for your business. So then you come down to gender. If your product is either for male or for female, you indicate here. Okay, you indicate here, and then you keep it moving. And then we'll come to the audience, to the interest targeting. We're not going to dwell on interest targeting. Okay, we're not going to dwell on interest targeting. In my previous video, I discussed extensively how to target the right interest, how to select the best interest for your products or services. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to that video up here. So as you're watching, you're going to see it up here. After watching this video, go back to that video, check my channel, you're going to see it. Watch that video so that you learn how to select the best interest that would give you the best result for Facebook advert. Okay, so let's take for instance, you are selling luxury cars. Okay, so you can just type luxury cars here, luxury vehicles here, interest. Okay, interest. So you click on suggestions here. So you can select luxury goods, people who are interested in luxury vehicle, first class travel. Yes, there are people who can afford it. Luxury goods. Okay, business travel, luxury resorts, frequent international travelers. These are people who can afford things that are in the luxury space. Okay, these are people who has the finance, the capacity to pay for things that are in the luxury space. Because I mean, if you have not eaten, if you have not fed, if you have not been well fed, you cannot think of first class travel. It doesn't work that way. Life is not yeah, life is not free. You pay your dues. Okay, so after selecting that, You can save the audience if you want to. You can just simply click on save audience so that you can always come back and use this particular audience. Then the next is to come here and select placement automatically. You can see that Facebook has given you the Advantage Plus state placement. Said your budget will be allocated by Meta's delivery system across multiple placements based on where it is likely to perform best. But remember, this advert, we want it to be run to Instagram only. We don't want the advert to scatter. We want to be able to target only Instagram users within the Instagram platform so that we can monitor the performance and know how best our ad is doing. So you simply come here and click on edit. Once you come here and click on edit, okay, and then you select manual placement. Manual. Once you select manual, you can see it here, Instagram. Instagram. All right. And then you come down to see which places on Instagram is the advert showing. Where on Instagram is it showing? So it is showing in the feed, stories and reels, in stream, and search results. Okay, so it's showing on Instagram feeds, stories and reels, in streams, and in streams for video and whatever reels, and then search results. So we are good here. Everything about this one is okay for us. Okay, so we have the placements confirmed. We move to the next level. You can see our estimated audience size is over 2 million. Always make sure that your estimated audience size is large. It's large. If you can even increase it to more than 2 million, fantastic. So we move to next, which is the ad level. Once you come here, we name our ad. Remember, always name your ad, your campaign, and your ad set. So ad tutorial. Example, as an example, okay? So you select this is Instagram account because that's the Facebook page you selected. Okay? So we come here. The best way to get the best results on Instagram is to promote your best performing posts. Yes, if you sell clothes and you notice that there's this particular design, people have been, since you posted it on Instagram, people has been making orders for it, people have been demanding for it. That is what you should promote, so that, because this is an example that, oh, if people love this, it means that more people are going to love it. If you sell shoes, sneakers, and this particular stuff that people have been asking for, that is what you should promote. If you sell handbags and you have a bestseller, whenever you post it, people always order for it. That is what you should promote. So before you promote, before you run any advert, first and foremost, post that as a reel. Make video real, interesting, captivating, good advert creative. Post it. Let it gather a lot of engagements. You can post up to 5 different posts and reels. The best performing one is the one you promote. So once you come here, you come to this create ad. Create ad here. You click on this create ad. And then you click on use existing posts. Okay? You click on use existing posts. Then you come here, you select post. You select post. All right? From your Instagram, you select a post. You can select this one as an example. Okay, remember, this is an example we are doing here. All right, it's an example that we are doing here. This is not the final work. We are just making examples. Yeah. So once you select it and you click on continue, allow it to populate and come into the platform here. So it's still verifying the video to make sure that it is okay and blah blah blah. All those their talk. But then that is it. You don't need to do any more work. Okay. You don't need to do any more work. Everything you have to do, because in the post you already put your caption. Okay, you already put everything. See the call to action. The call to action here is simple: send Instagram message. Simple. That's the call to action. In the post you have already put your caption, put the price, put how they can purchase the product. Abi, in the post that you made, the price is there in the caption. How they can purchase is there in the caption. Everything is there in the caption. So you don't need to do any other thing. Simply select that post, put it up here, all right? And then that is it. That is it. Okay? Personally, I always turn off this multi advertiser ads. I turn it off. I don't want my advert to be shown alongside competitors' stuff. All right? I want my advert to be standalone. So I turn this stuff off. So as you can see, this is the video playing. This is the video. Simple. Simple. When someone sees the video, when they're watching it, they simply click on send message. All right. You can just do an advanced preview by clicking this advanced preview here. Okay. Once you click on advanced preview, it will show you how the video is going to be showing on all uh, Instagram displays. Okay. On all Instagram displays. So this is the Instagram. This is the for the feed. This is for Instagram story. This is for Instagram Explore. This is for Instagram Reel. Okay, this is for I think within the Instagram profile. This is for Instagram profile. So it's showing you how the video is going to be displayed on Facebook, on Instagram. It is showing you how it's going to be displayed. Simple. It's going to show you. It is showing the placements. Okay, real. So it is simple like this, my dear friends. My dear friends who are watching me now. It is simple, as you can see. That's all. Once you have done this, once you have done all of these things, the next thing for you to do is to click on publish. Here, click on this publish button. Click on the publish button. Click on it. Okay? We wait for the advert to be published. Once the advert is published, you wait for Instagram or Facebook, whatever they are called, to approve. Once they approve it, see, it has been published. It has been published. Yes. So once they approve it, you will monitor it on your ads manager. So it's processing. In a short while, it will be in review. Once they approve it, the advert will start running. That's all. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have any contributions, please go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. If you have an idea, if you want me to make any other video, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make those videos. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you share this video with business owners who you know will find it helpful. All right. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.